Hello and welcome to Online Qs, the YouTube channel for your online queries. Now in this video I'll show you how you can log into your AOL Mail on the AOL app on your smartphone. So make sure that you have already installed the AOL app onto your smartphone. If you have not, you can check out our previous video on how to download and install the AOL app onto your smartphone. So once you have it, run the AOL app on your mobile phone. So this is an app that I've recently downloaded it. So click on the mail icon on the bottom left corner of your app screen. So the mail login page will load like this. So type in your username, click on next after that, and then type in your password and click on sign in. And then you can see that you have signed into your AOL app and can receive your AOL mail now. So while signing in, if you had a problem, now how to sign out is by clicking on this settings icon. Scroll to continue. I accept. Manage accounts. This is how you can sign out. Click on edit and remove, and you're signed out. That's how you can log in and sign out from the AOL app. You can do that very easily. You can also add more AOL accounts to your AOL app to receive more emails from more email addresses. This is exactly the same function that a lot of email apps are doing. The first email app to ever do this was Gmail, I think. You simultaneously can receive mails from 3 or 4 different Gmail addresses if you have it. So this is how you log in or sign out of the AOL Mail on the AOL app. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our videos.